Hello world, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how to start an online business without quitting your day job. So if you are new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a passive income online. So first I'll talk about why you need to start an online business without quitting your day job. Yes, you can start an online business and you don't have to quit your day job, which is giving consistent income. With an online business, along with your day job, you can earn some extra money which you can use for your vacations, for paying your bills, for paying your groceries, or paying fees, your loans, or whatever. And these days there are a number of different online business models. But in this video, I'll be telling you the best model which you can follow to get started, and you don't have to quit your day job for that. So first I'll tell you different business models which exist these days. And the first model which exists is called dropshipping. So what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping means that you are sourcing physical products from a vendor or a wholesaler, and you are selling it to your customers. So you are not keeping the inventory for that. The seller is going to ship the product, the physical product, and you are going to make money. Let's say the original price of for a particular product is $5, and you have created your own drop shipping store, and you are selling that product for $10. So after calculating all the shipping and the fees and all, let's say you're going to incur a cost of $7, but you are selling it for $10, so $3 is going to be your profit. So that is called drop shipping business model. The next model these days is through selling online courses. So let's say if you've got some expertise in a particular domain, then you can create a course about that expertise, where you can tell people how to go about that particular topic. Let's say you have expertise on playing guitar, then you can create an online course on how to play guitar, and you can include some modules in it, and then you can host that course on different platforms like Udemy, Kajabi, and Teachable. There are a number of different places where you can sell your courses online. The next business model these days is setting up your own blog. Yes, blogging is also a very effective online business model, where you can write about a particular topic of your choice, be it the topic which interests you, be it the topic which you are passionate about, whether it's a hobby or you have some idea about it. Then you can create a blog and monetize it through Google AdWords and affiliate links, and people are making a lot of money through blogs as well. But the best online business model which I can recommend you is known as affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to promote other people's products and earn commissions on it. So the benefits of affiliate marketing: you don't need create your own product, you don't need to host any physical products for that. You are just acting as a middleman between the vendor who has created the product, be it a digital product or a physical product. You are just promoting that product to the right audience. That is known as affiliate marketing. And if someone buys that product through you, you are going to get the commission. So that is one of the most successful business model these days, and that is what I do as well, affiliate marketing. There is a lot of content on my channel and on my blog regarding affiliate marketing, which you can check it out. And with affiliate marketing, you don't need a huge investment, or you could even start for free with affiliate marketing. You could promote different products for free on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and there are paid methods as well, where you need some tools like a sales funnel builder and email autoresponder. That is going to help you to take your affiliate marketing venture to the next level. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there is a free course in the description down below. Go ahead and check that course out. That is absolutely free, where you will learn a lot about affiliate marketing, and you can easily get started. And even you don't have to quit your day job for that. You can just spend couple of hours per day and spend some few more hours or over the weekends or in your spare time, and you can get some extra cash for yourself and your family. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions on affiliate marketing or any of the online business models, you can just reach out to me. Just drop a comment down below, or you can just reach out to me on any of my social media links, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So guys, that is all for this particular video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.